What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to locate files that you've downloaded here on your iPhone device. This is pretty easy, very simple process. Let's jump straight into the video. So first things first, here I am on my internet browser. Let me quickly download a dummy or a draft file just to show it to you guys how to locate that specific file. And please note that this can be any file. In my case, I'll be downloading an audio file in here on this website right here. Let me tap here and select file and download. Here we go. As soon as you wish to download, you'll be able to see a pop-up which says, do you want to download the specific file on blah blah blah? And then you've got an option which says view, and then the other which says download. So you want to make sure you tap here on download to download that specific file. So once that's done, you'll be able to see here at the inferior left corner that that specific file has been downloaded if you tap here on downloads. As you can see, this is the file that has been downloaded and it occupies over 14 megabytes. Now, once this is done, tap on done, and let's quickly swipe up here to go back to our home screen. Now, you need to search for files. Okay, in my case, it's already here. You need to open up Files app here on your iPhone device. Now, if you're unable to find files, you can also search here at the top, okay? You can search for files and this should locate you the Files app. Simply tap on Files, and then over here, you simply need to tap here on Downloads down here at the Favorites tab. Simply tap here and you'll be able to locate all downloaded files down here. Now, if you're unable to locate it, simply go back and then tap here on iCloud Drive, and then you'll be able to see Downloads folder. Simply tap once on it and you'll be able to locate all downloaded files down here. So once you have all the downloaded files, you can now access it by simply opening and listening or to view a specific file. Now, you can also sort them by size, by name, by date. If you tap on date, you'll see that the most recent files will show up first, which is this one right here that I've just downloaded, as you can see right here. This is how easy it is to locate files on your iPhone device. All you need to do is find the Files app and you'll be able to locate your downloads folder easily. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.